Welcome to Pilato Creations. Today I'm planning to make some Christmas decorations, which is something I pretty much never say. But I was inspired by a video I saw from Bearded Viking Woodworks. I'll post the link in the description below. But basically I want to take this scrap wood and turn it into a snowman. Alright, I just want to lay out these holes so that they are the right distance apart. And I'm going to take those all the way around the workpiece. So that guy's going to end right about there. So I want this guy to overlap just a little bit. So this guy ends about there. So I want this guy to overlap a tiny bit. Now onto the drill press. Passed. And so I've got my workpiece secured in the vise here, and the vise is secured to the plate, the drill press plate with the clamps, and then the drill press is clamped to the workbench, and the workbench is really solid. It's not going anywhere. So I've lined everything up, and time to start making a hole. All right, I'm not going all the way through because I don't want to have tear out on the other side. All right, now that I put away the drill press, it's time to put away the Forstner bits. And I built this storage device in a recent video, so you can go and check that out if you want to see how. All right, I'm going to use 120 grit. I'm going to start with 120 grit sandpaper. And I want to remove these marks and smooth them out and soften the edges. All right, and to sand on the interior, I'm just going to use a little file. It's actually intended for chainsaws, sharpening chainsaw teeth, but I've never used it for that, so wouldn't want to use a file that I've already used on metal for wood, and this isn't going to be very aggressive, so hopefully it works out pretty well. Somewhere. All right, there you go. Scrap wood to Christmas snowman decoration.